Let's delve into the role of each vitamin in promoting a more youthful appearance and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for anti-aging benefits. 1. Vitamin C. Known for its powerful antioxidant properties, vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, helping to improve skin firmness and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and leafy greens into your diet, or opt for a vitamin C serum for targeted skincare benefits. 2. Vitamin E. A potent antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and UV damage, preserving collagen and elastin fibers for a smoother and more youthful complexion. Nourish your skin with vitamin E-rich foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado, or use vitamin E oil for topical application. 3. Vitamin A. Also known as retinol, vitamin A promotes cell turnover and collagen production, improving skin texture and reducing signs of aging. For enhanced anti-aging effects, include vitamin A sources such as sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach in your meals, or incorporate a retinol-based serum into your skincare routine. 4. Vitamin B3, niacinamide. Vitamin B3 helps strengthen the skin's barrier function, reducing moisture loss and enhancing collagen production for plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Look for niacinamide in skincare products or consume niacinamide-rich foods like poultry, fish, and peanuts to support skin health from within. 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K reduces the appearance of dark circles and promotes skin healing, contributing to a more radiant and youthful complexion. Incorporate vitamin K sources such as leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts into your diet, or use a vitamin K cream for targeted under-eye care. To maximize the effectiveness of these vitamins for youthful skin, ensure you maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Additionally, consider consulting with a dermatologist to tailor a skincare regimen incorporating these vitamins for optimal anti-aging benefits. You can instantly achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion with the right combination of vitamins and a consistent skincare routine. 7 proven ways to naturally stimulate collagen production after 50. As we age, our skin's collagen production naturally declines, leading to visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and loss of elasticity. Stimulating collagen production is critical for individuals over 50 looking to maintain a youthful complexion. Let's explore 7 natural methods to boost collagen production and rejuvenate your skin from within. 1. Incorporate collagen-boosting foods. Include foods rich in collagen-boosting nutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, and copper. Berries, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are excellent choices to support collagen synthesis. 2. Hydrate and protect your skin. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen daily to protect your skin from UV damage, which can accelerate collagen breakdown. 3. Use retinoids. Incorporate retinoid-based skincare products into your routine to stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Facial massage. Regular facial massages can help increase blood flow to the skin, promoting collagen production and enhancing skin firmness. 5. Collagen supplements. Consider taking collagen supplements to give your body the building blocks necessary for collagen synthesis and skin rejuvenation. 6. Microneedling. This minimally invasive procedure stimulates collagen production by creating micro-injuries, improving skin texture and firmness. 7. Laser treatments. Laser therapies such as fractional laser resurfacing can stimulate collagen production and improve skin tone and texture for a more youthful appearance. By incorporating these natural methods into your skincare routine and lifestyle, you can effectively stimulate collagen production after 50 and achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion.